All right, guys. Happy Thanksgiving if you're celebrating Thanksgiving. So I got it all together. This obviously isn't the final thing, but I got the ring on there. So, and the magnets came in. And so here's where the coils would be, right? I haven't wrapped them yet, but it works great. You could see that it's a little janky, but that's because once I get the magnets in there and I get it all together, I'll smooth off any rough areas. But the reason why I'm showing you this is because it actually works. It actually works in principle. It's not working on any electricity right now, but the rollers work. It's in the stand. This is what it would actually look like when it gets running. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to just wind this bottom coil only, because it takes 23 magnets or 24 magnets or something like that. And I'm just going to wrap this one coil. I'm going to make it a nice coil. Not a super heavy one, but good enough. And then I'm going to run a Bedini circuit off of it. And I'm going to see if I can generate electricity with these other two. Pretty cool, huh? I wanted to get it together, and it's a pain in the ass to get together too. Hold on a second. It is a real pain in the ass because, yeah, it's just, you've got to put these in there one at a time, tighten it up, slide another one, and then the last one is a real nightmare. So these don't have the rings on them yet. I'm going to put these rings on there so I can do the coils. But it should work. It should work. Spaceman, there's your design. That's how it's going to look, except for, obviously, the magnetic wire and the circuit. And like I said, I got the magnets in. I was really surprised. I thought they were going to take a long time. And I believe I have just enough. This is a little janky. I gotta take it all apart. And I gotta seat the bearings so that they're snug. The rollers, for whatever reason, the bearing hole is a little bit bigger than 22 millimeters, but that's all right. I put a piece of tape around it, put some stuff in there. I just wanted to make sure that it would actually run, or it would, run by hand. Pretty cool, huh? Ciao.